Welcome back to Chana Masala. I'm your Hiran Shabri. Today I'm going to teach you how to recite a poem. This video is exclusively dedicated to the kids who are interested in recitation. Now watch and listen. Greetings to every respected souls. He is both a painter and an engraver. In his period, his work was largely neglected, but now he is one of the leading lights of English poetry. This poem is taken from his Songs of Experience. Yes, today I am going to recite a poem of William Blake the Tiger. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? In what distant deeps or skies burn the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare he aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? And what shoulder and what art could test the sinews of thy heart? When thy heart began to beat, what dread hand and what dread feet? And what the hammer and what the chain? In what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what dread grasps? There its deadly terrors claps. When the stars threw down their spears and watered the heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? Thank you.